Now let's see. Again you have to do the partitions. Take the small partitions in the hair like this as we are doing here. Again you have to form a pleat like this. Another thing, you have to do the same thing, and then you have to secure it in the manner as we are doing with the help of a lovely decorative clips and clutches. And here's to the result. Isn't it amazing? Now this is for short hair girls. Let's see what lovely hairstyles are we going to make. Take the partitions in the hair like this, tie with the help of rubber band. Again you have to do the same thing. Make a pleat out of this in the manner as we are doing in the video. Keep on making this by taking thin parts like this, by doing partitions from the middle of the hair at the back, and let's see what in the end are we going to get. Keep on making this and you'll be amazed to see your result then. Yes, you have to tie your hair like this and it's the end. Isn't it looking super amazing? Now let's see what are we gonna do now. Again you have to take these small partitions in the hair and then you have to twist your hair back and forth and convert it into a beautiful pleat like this, and let's see what are we gonna do next. Keep on making this and in the end you'll amazed to see it. Now in the end what you have to do, you have to just convert it into the form of a beautiful pleat like this, and it's the end.